Okay. So, I'm talking to my video. So after using this spin curl, air curls, whatever it's called, this is what it did. Kind of like threads. And then I'm getting ready to take them out now. So see how it turns out. I don't know how to do them. I guess I'll just separate them. Let's ask the hairdresser.
Yeah.
How should I undo these?
I don't know. You sound a little depressed about doing your stuff.
I know. I know. Wow, what if it didn't even do anything?
Well, did you do it from
oh, you know what?
When it was wet, or did you put gel in it?
I put the Frisbee's John, whatever it's called. John Freda or whatever.
John Freda.
Frizzy's secret weapon finishing cream.
Frizzy's is not exactly the right thing to put in. No, it isn't.
But it kept them formed.
Okay, Frizzy's keeps the frizz down in your hair, but it's also basically breaks down it smooths it out. I mean, it's not going to do that.
So it wasn't the best.
You need the gel, something that gives it body, foundation.
Damn it. Well, then this ain't going to turn out then.
Like pigeon shit, something like that.
Oh, it's got texture to it.
You know what I mean, like gel.
Did it do anything? I'm thinking not. Kind of just looks tousled, like. Huh. See? See? Look!
Right. Yeah, it's alright. I don't think it did much. It's definitely not my favorite. But
it just looks like was at the beach.
Very good, very good.
Blenders, vacuums. So I guess I put the wrong shit in my hair.
I'm sorry to tell you. You didn't put nothing, you didn't put anything in there.
Yeah, I know. I put the frizzies in there. It's not doing much of anything, but it just looks... What would you say? Like... And you cut it so good, I should at least do something to it.
It looked great yesterday.
Yeah, it did.
I was pretty proud of myself. Did you spend time to do your hair?
Did that just say I'm prude and proud?
No, I said I was proud of myself. I haven't done hair for a little while. So.
Oh, really?
Well, no, not.
So you, I took you off the hairdressing wagon?
No, you don't forget how to do that shit. I just don't have any of that stuff anymore. It's all mine.
Man, I don't really know what it did. Look at, what is this? Like just frizz? But it kind of looks...
I don't know. It could be good for...
Could be good for
like
what?
Like a breakfast cereal or something? Breakfast cereal commercial?
It's the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. We're sipping on coke and rum. I'm like so fucking drunk. It's a freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Now it's like murder, she wrote. Once I get you back clothes, privacy's on the door. Still, I could even feel more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping, wishing. I'm about to take my key and stick it in the ignition. So give me that toot-toot, and give me that beat. Running my hands through her fro, bouncing off my photos. It's a remix to ignition. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man we're wishing, sipping on coke and rum. I'm like so up and drunk. It's a freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, bounce, bounce. No. Okay, so, alright. Is this an acceptable style?
Yeah, I mean,
For the I just don't give a fuck day?
Sunday afternoon. Just.
It's Sunday? No, it's Monday.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
forget it.
Fuck. That's
Forget
what
it. It's not
she
Monday
said
at
when
all.
she
No
looked
way.
at her hair. Oh, fuck. No. Just kidding. Alright, God, it's Monday. I gotta get my car to the tire shop. It's very tiring, always having flat tires. You know? He who runs in front of car get tired. He who runs in back of car get exhausted. Okay. Alright then. Ciao, man.